Scrapbookers. I am Megan and I am back today with a new kit share for my Stashbash Take 10 series. So I have all of my things here that I am going to be using for this month with this series, and I'm going to make 3 layouts and 1 project life page, probably. Possibly more, we'll see. First up, what I will do is I will show you the papers, and then I will go from there and show you everything else. So we're just gonna jump right in. Make sure you check out the other 2 ladies that are doing this series with me. It is Shannon, she's Crafty, and Desiree from Desiree's Tales. Okay, so first up, I will show you the papers. So I kind of cheated on this one. I hope Desiree is okay with that. But I pulled out this collection. Who is it from? It's called Good Day Sunshine from Simple Stories, and I believe it is a 2014 2014 collection. But I bought this collection so long ago, probably 2014 or 2015, and I haven't really used it up yet. So I'm going to kind of focus on this collection, and I hope Desiree doesn't mind. So this side is the paper that I totally went with. We're going off of a mood board this month, which you will have already seen. I pulled the yellows and the pinks and the kind of dark pinky red from there, and then there's also like blues and greens. So this paper is one of my favorite papers from this collection. So I definitely want to use this paper. Then there is this paper. This is Red Dots Ombre. This was a second pack. So this is a pattern paper pack. And then there was like the dots and then the ombre background paper pack. So I pulled in the red from that, and I can use either side on this. I don't really care which one. Then I also liked the floral that is on this side. I do like this side as well, so I can use either one of those sides. That one is called Shades of Summer. Okay. Then we've got this pink ombre paper that also has the polka dots on the back. And then we have this, it's a 4x6 cut apart. So it's got these 4 on this side. I really like this one. It had the floral element and then all the colors. I liked the bike, and I like the stripes on this. I probably wouldn't use this card, but I am also thinking I might want to do a lot of summary layouts for my 100 days project. So that's why I brought in these 4x6 cards. I normally wouldn't bring those in on a 12x12 layout contraption. What's it called? Kit. But I decided I'm going to try to at least do 3 project life pages with this kit, as well as 3 layouts. So we will see if I can use that one, or there's this one. And I love the little location dots. What are those called? I don't even know. This is super cute, and this is super cute, and I love this. So I also love the Good Day Sunshine, super cute. This would be a good journaling card, a good background card. I just love it all. So that is another 4x6 paper, cut apart paper. Then we have this 3x4 cut apart paper, which has some of the same ones and then also some different ones. So I could just choose whichever side I want to use for that. Then we also have this cut apart sheet. I really like this one and this one here. This guy I could totally turn into a 4x6, 2 4x6s. Not sure I would use this one, but who knows, we'll see. I picked it for this side, but I could also use this side. This one would be good for journaling. See? So it all works out. So that is my first item. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 papers. Then my second item is going to be scrap pieces of paper. So I decided to bring in this one, which is also from this collection. I really love this and this. I just love it all. And then this is what this side looks like. I think I definitely would use this side more. Then I had this scrap, which is, oh, it is two-sided. I was thinking it was just one-sided. This side goes really well with these colors. It's a more neutral. And then I have this scrap that is the same wood grain paper. These 2 scraps here. So not so many scraps this time around, which I'm okay with. That's totally fine with me. I'm going to stick that down here. You know what? I'm going to move this too. Get everything out of the way. So not as many scraps this time, which will be nice because then I'll probably create more scraps, right? Okay, item number 3. So papers were item number 1, scraps were item number 2. Item number 3 are these acetate sheets. This one isn't a full. I cut that one in half and used it on something. Then we have Good Day Sunshine. We have Summertime and The Livin' is Easy. And then we have this one that says Summer. So those I have had for quite a while as well. I think I bought all of this in a kit from probably scrapbook.com, I think is what it was. Okay, then next up, I pulled out all of these brads, and they were on this sheet, but while I was putting my kit together, I decided I didn't want to leave them on that sheet because it took up so much room. So I have all of these brads. I will show them to you a few at a time. Maybe. So there are some of the brads. Then here are more. Maybe we'll just do one at a time. It's not wanting to focus, so we'll just go super fast. So I've got a bunch of these brads. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the last one's 10, 11, 12. These are just color ones. 13 and 14. So I have 14 brads to use, and I really do want to use them up. Also, not part of the kit, well, this is part of this kit that I'm putting together today, but it did not come with this collection. That's what I should say. I got some of these acrylic triangles. I believe they're from ColorCast, but I could be wrong. So I'm going to use those. Okay. Then I also pulled in some washi tape. Now this is, it's a little bit of a different color than what's in the kit. It's more of this color. So the color of the kit is the more bluish than the greenish, and this is more greenish, which is okay with me, but I'm going to use that. So that's going to be in my kit. Then I also, so we are up to, let's see, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to count all of these things as 4. Then I have these Amy Tangerine water resistant little thingies. I think I'm going to count these as part of this section there. Then I have these close to my heart stickers that I've had for quite a few years, and I really would like to get them used up. There's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 left. So I would love to get those used up. I also have more stickers. So stickers are going to be my, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th item. Okay, so I have 3 sticker sheets here. So this is the alpha, the 2 alphas that I'm going to be using. Then here's 2 smaller alphas, so that's 4 alphas. And then this one also has a bunch of the phrases and some cute stickers and things. This one is titles and embellishments and just lots of fun. So this is item number 5. Then item number 6 is the ephemera. So I didn't even get up to 10 items. I mean, I guess if you want to count each of the items as a separate item, like this could be its own sticker sheet, these could be, you know, and just have everything. But, you know, I'm just going to do it in categories. All of the stickers are one item. That's just how I'm deciding to do it. Okay, so I did pull a bunch of ephemera from my stash. So I think I'm going to put these, maybe I'll put these out here on these papers. So I got some just randomness. I went through a bunch of different packs that I have, embellishment packs. Ooh, excuse me, embellishment packs, and just a bunch of different things that I have in my stash, and I just pulled it all out. I have an idea for this. We went and got ice cream or something. I don't even remember what it was, but I knew I had photos that would go with that ice cream. So, yeah, I just pulled a bunch of these out. Here's some fruit, cute little Amy Tangerine camera, some numbers, fine and dandy, be real, and then this cute little love chipboard frame. So, oh, and here's a heart too. So those are all of the embellishments and things, the paper embellishments that I have. And yeah, I have a lot in this kit, and I know I probably won't even use half of it, but I'm really, really happy with this kit. My kit last month, I kind of had a hard time using it, and I think that's why I struggled so much with posting and everything, because I was continuously late last month with posting. So I think that's the reason why, is because I just really didn't enjoy the kit, like, very much at all. Max got to this one. I don't know if you guys can tell. He liked to chew on that. I'm still going to use it though. Okay. So that is my kit. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you head on down to the other ladies' links. I will leave links to their kit shares as well. And yeah, be sure to stay tuned for some layouts and Project Life pages that I'm going to be making this month. We will post every Monday, and I'm hoping to stay on track and actually post on Mondays. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.